Question number 28 Cy 2019, and the question is, there are three different examples of silicate minerals given. First one, zircon, ZrSiO4. Second one, beryl, B3Al2Si6O18. And the third one, profilite, Al2OH whole twice, Si2O5 whole twice. Now we have to find out the correct structural depiction of these minerals. So there are four options are given. Option A, 1, that is zircon, is orthosilicate. 2, that is beryl, is cyclic silicate. And 3, that is pyrophyllite, seed silicate. Option B, 1, that is zircon, orthosilicate. 2, that is beryl, seed silicate. And 3, pyrophyllite, cyclic silicate. Option C, 1, zircon, cyclic silicate. 2, beryl, seed silicate. And 3, pyrophyllite, orthosilicate. And at last, option D, 1, zircon, seed silicate. 2, beryl, orthosilicate. And 3, pyrophyllite, cyclic silicate. So we have to find out the correct answer among these four options. We will go through each structures. So first one, zircon. That is ZrSiO4. The silicate unit is SiO4. Now you have to find out the charge of the silicate unit. Zirconium has possible cationic form +2 and +4. In between, most stable is +4. So the charge of zirconium is +4. Thus, the charge on silicate unit -4. Thus, the unit all total is SiO4 4-, where the SiO4 unit can be represented in structural formula as each oxygen has a minus charge. The silicate unit of the compound is SiO4 4-, thus the compound is orthosilicate. Okay, this geometrical representation of SiO4 can be further simplified as where oxygen and the dot is silicon. We will use this kind of simplified form of SiO4 in the later structures. Thus we find that zircon is orthosilicate. Now coming to beryl, B3Al2Si6O18. Now we have to find out the charge of the silicate unit. Silicate unit is Si6O18. We need to know the charge. Okay, now we know beryllium charge is +2 and aluminum charge is +3. So the total charge total cationic charges. How many beryllium? 3. And how many aluminum? 2. So this is 6 plus 6, 12. So charge is Si6 O18 12 minus. This can be simplified as Sin O3n 2n minus, where n equals to 6. And wherever this moiety is present, Sin O3n to 2n minus, it will be a cyclic silicate. We can draw the structure as of this beryl or cyclic silicate as the silicate part of the beryl. Okay. This may not be the perfect structure. Put oxygen in each of the joint and also in the middle of each of the triangle. So there are 6 SiO4 4 minus unit. They will come close together and form this cyclic silicate. You can see one 6-member cycle is formed in the center, and the silicons are here. Okay, so this is the geometrical formulation of this Si6 O18 12 minus. Okay, so the beryl has cyclic silicate unit. Now pyrophyllite. That is Al2OH whole twice Si2 5 2 minus. There the silicon unit is given. The silicate unit is given. No need to simplify it. Just we have to find out the charge. We have to find out the charge. Now that can be found out from the charge of other parts. Aluminium charge is +3, OH is -1. So the total charge apart from silicate is okay. That is 6 minus 2 4. So the total charge of silicate unit is 4 minus. Actual, since there are 2 Si2O5, so the actual silicate is Si2O5 2 minus, and this is a representation of sheet silicate. Pyrophyllite is a 6 silicate. We can draw the structure of 6 silicate as now we will take that one cyclic form that we found in the beryl one and put 3-4 different cyclic form with each other. this one cycle. And you can draw the next cycle. How? Okay. Then one more. In the next one. Okay. One more. And you can increase by putting more and more cycle, and this will be kind of 2D arrangement like sheet. That's why it is called sheet silicate. Now the oxygen and silicon we can put. You have to give them some other color. This color I will give. Put. Every joint has oxygen. Think about how many oxygens are there. Okay, now oxygen in the center of the triangles. Any triangle missed? No. Now I have to put the silicons. These two are missing. Okay, now this is kind of a structure, and they will like a sheet. So to find out the original forms, original silicate forms of all these structures. So first one, what is that? Zircon is orthosilicate. SiO4 4 minus unit. Then beryl cyclic silicate, that is SiNO3N to N minus. Then pyrophyllite, and it is sheet silicate, Si2O5 whole 2 minus. Thus, which is the correct option depicting the structure formulation of minerals? That is, now the correct option is option A. 1 orthosilicate, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 2 cyclic silicate and 3 sheet silicates. So your answer is option A. You can go through the reference, that is lecture on silicates, week 8 lecture 36 by Professor M.S. Balakrishnan, Department of Chemistry, IIT Bombay, and this is the YouTube link of that video. Thank you very much.